awakening precedes enlightenment. What is awareness? What is awakening? What is enlightenment? What causes a person to become aware? What is aware? What is awareness? What is awake? What is awakening? What you are awakening to? What you are awakening to? What you are becoming enlightened to? What you are awake to? Awakening, awareness, and enlightenment. They are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. The only correlation they share is the fact that all of these three spiritual or immaterial elements are really conducive to pivoting to a higher level of consciousness. But it all has to do with a sort of perception. Oh my God, I'm freaking killing it, yo. I'm killing it, I'm killing it. So basically they all based on a perception, a certain type of perception. The way we perceive, and I look so freaking handsome today, yo. Check out your boy, man.